Your project is currently behind schedule, causing significant concern for the client who is eager to see some results. As a project manager, which of the following approach is the best one to address the situation effectively? Let's look at the option. Option A, prepare a detailed project status report, highlight what has been completed, what is in progress, and what is pending, and then share this informed report with the client. Transparency, good idea. I should be doing it regularly as per my communication management plan. Uh, Candidate option, yeah, because why just a candidate? Because not addressing the issue which has been raised that I want to see something and I want to, I'm behind schedule, partially addressing the concern by way of sharing what is happening, but not necessarily giving a solution which is creating the anxiety in our client. So that much is not covered. Let's see option B. Identify and prioritize project component that can be quickly completed to show early results to the client and replan the rest of the project. Makes perfect sense. It is showing that, the question is giving me the client is eager to see some results. So that indicator, that is something is taken care here because we are trying to prioritize and show you something. The question is also showing that you are behind schedule. So you need to do a replanning. You need to show something and then you do a rest of the replanning and that can serve the purpose. Great idea. I think we can go with B. Let's see C. Replan the rest of the project, provide clarity about the revised timeline and expected deliverables, and communicate this new plan with the client. I don't see any problem in this. It's a perfect answer. But what is missing, if I compare B and C here, it is not taking care of the issue which has been raised that I want to see something soon. Yeah. Now somebody will say, I will reflect on it. As we learned that I need to do a little analysis-based approach. So option is saying, C is saying, I will analyze, I will replan and talk about it. So yes, we need to take analysis-based approach. We don't have to jump to the conclusion, but at the same time, we need to address the pointers of the queries which are given in the question. So the question is clearly showing that I'm eager to see some result. And the option C is saying, okay, I will do a replanning. I will do a replanning and I will talk about it. It is basically taking care of a delay part, but not taking care of eager to see some results. Yeah, and that is the difference between B and C. And that's why I still prefer going with B. Let's see option D. Revisit the project risk management strategies to ensure that all potential risks are being managed proactively to prevent further delays. Great idea, but not directly addressing the issue of eagerness, and the replanning is definitely taking care of risk management aspects as well. So by looking at these four options, I can still vote for B, and B is taking care of the question given problem and also helping us to deliver things incrementally. So if we see the exam content outline mapping, so this particular question is mapped to the first task of process domain, which is execute project with urgency required to deliver business value. So we definitely need to take an input whenever we sense that can we do something, and if the stakeholders are looking for something, I always look for incremental delivery. So that's a mindset as a project manager I need to keep in mind. So that's the task is mapped here. The overall topics is all about incremental delivery. It's all about stakeholder engagement and project replanning and keeping the project information transparent to the stakeholders.